Okay. Do you hear that? Do you hear that loud bell? It's 5 in the frickin' morning. And the monk next door is ringing the bell. Oh, maybe he heard me. Or sees me. There's a temple next door. And he's ringing the bell. So loud. Oh, there it is. Do you hear it? Now it's a different bell. Oh shoot, I scared it. Spoiler! Okay, this is a view from my window. 5 in the morning. Look at the mountains. Isn't it beautiful? And here's this freaking Buddhist right there. Monks. You guys do the bell every morning at 5. Wake everyone up. Kidding. Kidding. I was just awake. There's a city. Country. City. I don't know why I'm showing this. I just thought you'd like to see the day on the other side of the world in Korea. Okay. There's some plants. Alright, he's good. He must have probably something. Oh my goodness, there's my window. So yeah. Good morning, Korea.